Do you know you can quickly adjust your screen for better visibility on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? This is useful if you want clearer text or more comfortable viewing experience. Let me show you how to set it. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancement. Under the display mode section, you will see three options. The first one is default, which keep your current display setting. The second option is high contrast, which turn on feature like dark mode, high contrast font, and reduce visual effect to make content easier to see. And the third option is enlarge display, which increases font size and screen zoom and makes button more visible. These options are like preset combination that adjust multiple settings at once. For example, you can choose high contrast if you want better readability, especially in bright environment. Just select the option you prefer and then tap apply. As you can see, the display mode you select will be applied instantly. And that's how you use display mode on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.